Hi, this is Dr. Alicia Shelly, and I am the host of the Back on Track Achieving Healthy Weight Loss podcast. Also, I'm a board-certified obesity medicine and internal medicine physician. And so today we're going to be talking about PCOS and Mounjaro/Ozempic. Recently, Good Morning America actually ran a story looking at how Mounjaro and Ozempic are helping women with PCOS. PCOS stands for Polycystic Ovary Syndrome. This is when a woman has excess testosterone in their body. Also, they have multiple cysts in their ovaries. Also, they tend to have extra hair on their chin and on their chest and in places that most women don't have. And that's usually due to the extra testosterone that's there. Also, women with PCOS tend to suffer with not ovulating as much. So they don't have cycles as frequently. Also, it is very difficult for them to give birth because they're not ovulating every month. And then on top of that, it makes it harder for them to lose weight because of the imbalance of hormones. They tend to have more insulin resistance. Now, insulin resistance means that for somebody with insulin resistance is basically when their body is not responding to the insulin that is produced. So for somebody who does not have PCOS, if they eat something, their body breaks it down into sugar. That sugar goes into the bloodstream to go into the different organs for energy. So it goes to the heart so the heart can beat, and go to the lungs for the lungs to breathe. In order for the sugar to go from the blood to the heart, it actually needs the hormone insulin, which is the key that kind of opens that door and allows that sugar to go in. In somebody who's insulin resistant, what happens is the pancreas is producing all this insulin, but the body is not responding to it. So that door never opens and that sugar stays in the blood, which can put women with PCOS at increased risk for developing diabetes down the line. Now, how Mounjaro and Ozempic works is that they make the body more sensitive to the insulin that's produced, so that you basically have that key and that door is opening and that sugar is coming down. As that sugar starts to come down, the hormones start to change in the woman's body, and it helps with them not only having regular cycles, they're starting to ovulate more, they're losing weight, and as they lose weight, it helps as well with making them more fertile, and also it helps with them not only being happy with what's happening, but it helps their hormones to balance out. Now, it's still unclear exactly all of the causes or all the reasonings behind the physiology behind or pathology behind PCOS, but it definitely helps that with Mounjaro and Ozempic, it gives women extra treatment to help them with improvement. Now, just so you know, Ozempic and Mounjaro are not FDA approved for PCOS. However, this may be something that people want to look into in the future. And just so I know, just for a disclaimer, this is not medical advice. This is just more education. If you have PCOS or you have questions about Mounjaro and Ozempic, it's going to be important that you talk to your doctor about what you can do and how you can live and how this may work more for you. All right, this is Dr. Shelly. Feel free to check me out on the Back on Track Achieving Healthy Weight Loss podcast, and we look forward to seeing you all next time.